Hola, hola mis amigas y feliz día y cómo están. I really hope you guys are having such a great day today, and I'm just so glad that you guys are here and watching my video because I was just so happy to get into this little room, well, my bathroom, and to clean it up just because like every time I would walk into this bathroom there was a whole bunch of dust accumulated everywhere, and I know you guys can't see, pero era un desastre. Like it was a hot mess, and I was just thankful and grateful that I have the energy and to even start cleaning this bathroom just because it really needed it so much. And like again, mis amigas, I'm just so happy that you guys are here, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I know you guys were asking for some more fast-paced videos, and here we are, mis amigas. And it was just so fun and relaxing filming this day, exactly just because outdoors was super sunny and it was just a very beautiful day outside. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys so much for coming back. And again, mis amigas, I want to thank you guys for your support and all of your beautiful comments that I see. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel, and thank you guys so much for taking the time for watching my video. I have to say, mis amigas, that right here, my walk-in shower is one of my least favorite thing to clean in my bathroom, just because, like, you know, the walls and the window and stuff like that, the door, I have to kind of deep clean and make sure I get all the creases and stuff like that. So I went ahead and sprayed my favorite spray. I will show you guys in a little bit what I did spray, but I was just so thankful enough that I was able to clean this up because you guys probably call me una loca, but I'm using my duster to kind of like sweep all the hairs out and stuff like that, because I don't know about you guys, but I like to like sweep or dust before I put any wet products on my surfaces and stuff like that, just because then it just creates like a wet residue, dust and muddy and stuff like that. But that's why I'm here with my dustpan and stuff like that. But if you guys don't know, I am a big fan of this Swiffer dustpan. I use it everywhere in all my videos. No falta ese dustpan or duster. So I have a question for you guys, mis amigas. So I want to know, what is your favorite thing about my videos? Like, what brings you here and why are you here? I'm just curious to know. Like, I want to get in your points of view and say, hey, like, this is what brings me here, or what do you guys enjoy about my videos? Because I really hope you guys are enjoying everything. That's why you guys keep coming back, which I am so grateful for. And I want to hear, mis amigas, let me know down in the comment sections, just because I want to hear you guys out. I want to see your comments and just read through them and see what brings you back, mis amigas, because I am just so grateful, like I said, but I'm just so curious to see, you know, to hear and to read like what exactly brings you back. And like I said, mis amigas, I am not um, I am not here to judge anybody, because we have to start any from somewhere. And like I said in my other videos, that I am still learning the process on even editing my videos and kind of like find the perfect the angles and stuff like that. Although they're not even perfect at all, but they're perfect in my points of view, just because like I worked so hard to even be here at this moment, and it just means a lot to me, mis amigas. So I would like to hear, mis amigas, from you now. So what do you like about my videos, or what brings you here? Mis amigas, so you guys are not gonna believe me, but I know in other videos you always see me with my vinegar and my water mixed solution to clean my mirrors, but not this time, mis amigas. I am literally using this spray. I don't know if you guys can see it, the white and blue one right below me, and I'm using this one. I previously bought it just to see how it really worked, and honestly it does both. It works just like the vinegar and the water, and I was like looking at it and I was like, wow, it kind of works. It really works. But you know, I kind of wanted to switch it up a little bit to see, like, you know, the difference and stuff like that, if it did really work. But it really did, mis amigas. I saw this spray glass cleaner in TikTok, and I was like, you know what, everybody else is usando, so might as well, let's join and let me use it. And it's not even that strong, mis amigas, so if you guys don't like strong scents, I highly recommend this one. It actually smells really fresh, which I really like. So, and it literally leaves your mirrors so sparkly, and I love it. I highly recommend this product. Like seriously, mis amigas, I don't even know why I was standing here staring at the tub, but I think from what I did see, I even took a deep breath. I was like, I got this and stuff like that, but I, what I didn't remember is what it was a hot mess. Like, we don't even use this hot, not hot, but this tub in general, but it does accumulate mucha tierra y pelos y toda la cosa. So that's why probably I was staring at it, how filthy it was. And yeah, so I don't know if you guys saw, but I previously purchased this blue brush. Again, I saw it over TikTok, and I have to say it's one of my favorite brushes to clean. It's really, really smooth, and it literally scrubs like magic. Like, it doesn't even leave any scratches or anything like that. But again, mis amigas, like, I bought it off at the dollar store, and it's one of the best, my favorites, and I'm gonna continue to use it because I don't know about you guys, but I am picky with my, even with my cleaning stuff. I need to have something that I'm comfortable with to use and to clean my house. And if I don't have the right materials and product and stuff like that, then I'm not happy. I need to be happy when I'm cleaning. So that's why I purchased it and see. I was like, I wanted to give it a shot, and it literally worked. I really loved it, and I highly recommend it if you guys don't have one already, but go ahead and try it out. Alright, mis amigas, llegamos casi al final del video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun filming this video for you guys as always, and I'm always grateful that you guys always come back to my videos because, again, like I said, I always have so much fun, and it's just like a stress reliever, honestly, filming these videos for you guys, just because I know that we're building a little familia here, and it's growing, mis amigas. I'm so happy for that, and I will show you guys how my bathroom turned out after. It was just so amazing. It smelled so good. It looked so great. I didn't want to go in there mess it up, but you know, it's life, so we gotta use our bathroom. So this is the final look. I really liked it, mis amigas, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Okay, bye mis amigas.